Whenever we try to import any video in our Premiere Pro which is saved in .mkv format, the Premiere Pro rejects it and displays an error message that the file has an unsupported compression type, which feels really disgusting as we put lots of effort in rendering the video, and at this time it looks like all the efforts has gone in vain. So what to do now? Don't worry at all. Here in this video I am going to give you the solution for this. So let's go. What to do is open your browser and in the search box type lossless cut and press enter. Click on the first GitHub link that appears on the results page. Now in the releases section, click on latest. Here different versions are listed. Choose one among these as per your operating system. Mac version for Mac or Windows version for Windows. Now after installing, open the Lossless Cut app and drop your MKV file here. As you can see it has automatically detected that the file is in .mkv format. Click here and select .mp4 and click on export. Again click on export and hooray, it has converted the file within the blink of an eye. Close this. Now come back to Premiere Pro and click on import media. Choose the converted file and click on import. The file import is successful. Drag it into the timeline and see it's working. Hope you liked it, and if so, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And do comment on which topic you want me to make the video next time. Thank you for watching.